Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble codes DTC B1281, B1282, B1283, and B1284 relate to various malfunctions within the front wiper position circuits of Honda Accords manufactured between 2017 and 2023. Specifically, B1281 indicates a malfunction in the mist position of the wiper circuit. B1282 refers to the INT automatic position malfunction. B1283 pertains to the low position failure. And B1284 indicates issues with the high position of the wipers. These codes affect the windshield wiper system, which is managed by the Body Control Module, BCM, a crucial component that receives input from the wiper switch and controls the functionality of the wipers. When these circuits malfunction, it can disrupt visibility during adverse weather, necessitating immediate diagnosis and remediation. Understanding the significance of these error codes is essential for a timely fix, ensuring the vehicle performs safely and effectively during wiper operation. The front wiper system comprises vital components such as the windshield wiper switch and the body control module, or BCM. The windshield wiper switch is located on the steering column, allowing the driver to control the wipers across multiple settings: off, mist, intermittent, INT, low, and high speeds. The BCM interprets inputs from the switch and sends the appropriate signals to the wipers to engage the corresponding circuit. When there is a circuit malfunction, it affects the operation of these vital components, leading to issues such as wipers that don't activate or operate erratically. This malfunction can compromise driving safety during inclement weather conditions. The specific location of these components is crucial for troubleshooting, as the switch is reachable from the driver's position, while the BCM is generally found beneath the dashboard. Several potential causes are associated with these DTCs. Firstly, a failure in the windshield wiper/washer switch could result in the circuits related to the mist, INT, low or high positions malfunctioning. If the switch is stuck or malfunctioning, it may fail to send appropriate signals to the BCM. Secondly, short circuits within the wiring harness connecting the switch and the BCM can lead to erroneous readings and disruption of normal operations. Such shorts may occur due to frayed wires or corrosion that can interrupt signal transmission. Finally, issues with the BCM itself can contribute to the problem. If the BCM is corrupted or malfunctioning, it may not process the signals from the wiper switch accurately, leading to intermittent or outright failures in the wiper operation. Recognizing the symptoms that accompany the DTCs B1281, B1282, B1283, and B1284 is vital for early diagnosis. A common symptom is that the windshield wipers may not operate at all when the driver attempts to use them. Alternatively, the wipers may function erratically, operating inconsistently, or not responding correctly to the selected wiper setting: mist, INT, low, high. Such behavior can lead to visibility issues, particularly during rain or when road conditions require a clear view. Additionally, the driver may notice unusual behavior such as the wipers stopping abruptly or failing to return to their resting position. As wipers are critical for safe driving in adverse weather, recognizing these issues promptly can help ensure timely repairs. The first step in troubleshooting these DTCs involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to check various parameter values with the windshield wiper switch in the off position. It is critical to verify readings for each switch position: low, high, INT, and mist. Correct data readings should reflect off for the low, high, and INT settings, while confirming mist is also off. If all data values align correctly, it suggests that the wipers are receiving the right signals, and you can advance to troubleshooting step 4. However, if any data value is incorrect, it indicates a potential issue in the system, necessitating further investigation in Step 2. In this step, you will need to turn the vehicle to off lock mode and disconnect the windshield wiper washer switch 10P connector. Once disconnected, use the HDS tool to recheck the parameter values for the wiper switch positions, ensuring they all read off. If the data list value switches from on to off during this process, it confirms that the windshield wiper washer switch is faulty and requires replacement. If values remain unchanged, it indicates the issue lies elsewhere in the system, prompting you to proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Step 3 involves checking the continuity of the wires associated with the windshield wiper circuits. Begin by turning the vehicle to off lock mode and then disconnecting both body control module BCM, connector A and connector B, each with 66 pins. At this point, assess for continuity between test points individually, specifically between BCM connector A, number 8, and body ground, BCM connector B, number 55, and body ground, and BCM connector A, number 8, 24, and body ground. If any of these tests yield continuity, it indicates a short to ground in the wiring, which must be addressed to restore proper function. Conversely, if all tests confirm no continuity, this suggests the wiper switch line circuits are intact and points to a potential failure within the BCM itself, which would necessitate replacement. The final troubleshooting step focuses on verifying the switch positions once again with the HDS tool. Observe the parameter values as each position is engaged: low, high, int, off, and miss. For each setting, a corresponding on or off value should be displayed, ensuring that they align with the selected position. If all values are correct, it generally indicates no faults. However, this suggests the issue may be intermittent, warranting checks for loose or poor connections. On the other hand, if any signal is incorrect, it indicates a short between the associated circuits, which requires repair to ensure proper function of the windshield wiper system. After performing repairs based on the diagnostic steps outlined previously, it's crucial to verify that the windshield wiper system is now functioning correctly. This involves testing each wiper switch position to ensure they respond appropriately and check for full operational capability. Functions such as mist, intense, low, and high should all work seamlessly, providing the driver with reliable visibility during adverse weather conditions. Additionally, use the HDS tool again to confirm that no DTCs have reoccurred, ensuring that the issue has been fully resolved. This final verification step ensures both the safety of the vehicle's occupants and the efficacy of the repair performed. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the windshield wiper system in your Honda Accord. Regular inspections of the wiper components, including the blades, switch, and wiring, can help identify any signs of wear or damage before they lead to system failures. Additionally, checking the connections for corrosion or looseness can prevent intermittent issues that may arise over time. It's equally vital to replace worn-out switches proactively, as they are crucial for the proper functioning of the wiper systems. By incorporating these maintenance steps into regular vehicle upkeep, drivers can promote safe driving conditions and avoid the need for more extensive repairs down the line. In wrapping up the troubleshooting guide, understanding the significance of diagnostic trouble codes B1281, B1282, B1283, and B1284 is essential for effective vehicle maintenance. These codes indicate specific malfunctions within the front wiper position circuits, which should be diagnosed and rectified promptly to ensure driver visibility during adverse weather. Following the detailed troubleshooting steps allows technicians to methodically address the issue, providing clarity on what specific components may need repair or replacement. Furthermore, adopting regular maintenance practices helps in sustaining the functionality of the wiper system, ensuring trouble-free operation for years to come. Overall, proper awareness, timely diagnostics, and maintenance can significantly enhance both driver safety and vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.